Hey guys, I don't know why the screen's all black. Oh. Oopsies. Guys ready to fire it off?
Oh yeah.
Well, almost. One sec. Okay, I'm good.
Alright. You filming this?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Here. Okay, everyone ready?
3, 2, 1.
Fire!
Okay, well, do you want to go do the report now?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Hey guys, I don't know if I got all that. This camera seems to be kind of messed up. There's like something wrong with the screen or something. I don't know what it is. Hey, what's that?
What is that? Ah!
Wait, come back!
What?
Hey, where are you
Where
going?
are you going? Come on!
Hey, don't go over there! Don't go near it!
Dream Kakapushkirum Gapagatuka Rampuguji.
Yeah, where do you want to go?
What are you talking about?
You did call for an intergalactic taxi, right?
We were just doing a science project for school.
What is school?
Well, it's where you learn stuff.
Yeah, like reading and math and hanging out with friends.
I don't understand.
Well, we'll have to take them to the schools.
Yeah. Take us there and we'll show you.
Sure, I have some free time, as long as dispatch doesn't give me another call. Let's go! Sorry about that. I'll take it a bit slower next time.
Climbed up to get the nuts.
Oh, these kids are learning to read.
What are some strategies that you used when you were reading this story?
ING.
You covered up the ending on a word. Good. What else did you do?
Go back and read.
Exactly. You backtrack and read again. Oh, here. Squirrels like to hide nuts too. And I said, does that make sense?
And I said no.
Right. So you could tell me it didn't make sense. And what did you do?
Well, if we head south from here, there's a middle school with some older students.
Sorry about that.
Mike, which activity are you
Finding it.
Yeah, we're still learning how to read.
Okay, so and the activity is a book.
Didn't they get it the first
So as you're
time?
reading through your story, you are making...
Well, there's a lot to learn.
Yeah, you need to know how to read in order to learn.
Okay, and you're summarizing them in point form. And how is this helping you with coming up with the main idea?
Makes you think when you read.
Okay. Sharice, which activity are you working on right now?
I'm working on what's important.
Okay, and the activity is the plot profile. Okay, so explain to me what you're doing.
I'm writing down all the events as they happen.
Okay, so you're guessing at the definition, and then you're comparing it with the dictionary?
Yeah.
And are you finding that this is helping you with some of the more difficult vocabulary in your book?
It is because some of these words come up a lot, and it's good so I can have my vocabulary for later on.
Well, let's see what they're doing over here.
I wasn't very big on reading until I was shown this book from Reading Fitness in my English class. I read the whole thing and I enjoyed it very much.
I definitely read some books this year I wouldn't normally have read by pushing myself, like the Jane Austen novel Pride and Prejudice. That one was tough, but it felt good when I was done reading it.
The purpose of the Reading Fitness program is to encourage students to read and have fun at it, and to read outside their regular genres.
We should look at math. That's important too.
We're making
They're using objects to help them understand.
nets.
They're just
we're
playing.
making them
No,
from a flat
they're
piece of
learning.
paper into a 3D shape. And this is, I'm doing a pyramid square pyramid. I measure all of them and then add them all up. And you have to add them up and put centimeters right there. And we're making the perimeter around with blocks. 22, 14, 16, 24, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Math gets harder every year.
All these yes column statements are correct. The no column statements are incorrect. Consider how the numbers, measurements, and values in the yes column are different from those in the no column. Again, we'll go through about 4 or 5 of these. Please read them yourselves. Think to yourself how you might piece the puzzle together. I want you to take about 30 seconds. You're going to share with your partners the ideas you've come up with on the first 4 items. Remember comparing how the yes examples are different from the no's.
This to that the same, so we can't measure distance with this. 1 hour? Well, so we're doing this in 1 hour.
So if it
bring it back in.
And in schools, you also develop people skills.
I knew that. Boy, they start young.
The cow. That's a baby. The cow
jumped over the...
So that's the teacher?
Just watch.
Understand exactly what we're saying, but then when they just kind of hear the rhythm, then they like it.
Something's going to happen. Okay, stop.
Come on, get those muscles.
Now Jake's done this a few times before, I think.
This next one is cool.
Oh, I have a little sister in that class. I think it's called Roots of Empathy.
Little people again?
Let's look what fully meets looks like. Ready? Trace, help me. Always notices other people's needs and feelings.
Put them in order of pink, blue, green, and yellow. And I want you to pick up the card that fully meets expectations. I'm going to read you a story now, and there are some very interesting characters in this story, and you're going to have the chance to decide how those characters are behaving.
Well, let's see what they're doing over here.
So, I'm a little burnt out.
All this learning is gonna burn me out.
What am I supposed to do?
No problem. We've got a solution for that, too.
Thinking about the video, looking at it, and asking yourself or describing how is Kyra's life balance right now.
She's not going to bed early, so when she wakes up, she's all crabby and angry.
Okay, she's not getting enough sleep, so when she wakes up, she's crabby and angry. I can relate to that. But what kind of things do stress you out, and what are some things maybe that you do when you get stressed out?
I hate the end of the year. Until we're behind, and that's really stressful when the end of the term was coming in because we had to get all like the projects and stuff in.
Right.
We both found that really stressful.
Okay.
Melissa said that she gets burned out kind of at the end of the year because there's like all the final when you get your.
Sorry, I gotta go. Call from Alpha Centauri.
Well, that was weird.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys. That was totally weird. Where did you go? Was that a spaceship? Was that supposed to be in the film? What's going on? You said we were just about done the project. Are we there yet?